Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete suggested on Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Messenger and update your Messenger application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Messenger. And then you need to click on search, and here you can find all suggestions. So how you can delete that? You simply need to click on your profile picture in the left top, and then you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of phone contacts. Click on that option, and here you can see the first option, upload contacts. Click on that, and you simply need to turn that off. Okay, then you need to click on manage contacts. Okay, and then you need to click on delete all contacts, and now it is deleting. Once you delete all contacts, you simply need to go back and log out from Messenger and log in again. So by following these steps, you can easily delete contacts or suggested people from Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.